If you are trying to recover your Chromebook and reinstall the firmware and the operating system, you need to use a tool called the Chromebook Recovery Utility. On a different device, you need to install this Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. So you need to download Chrome on another computer and then install this extension. On the same computer that you just installed this extension, you need to navigate up to the Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on Extensions, and then open the Chromebook Recovery Utility. You can pin it so that it shows here if you'd like. Once you click on this, it opens up the Chrome Recovery Utility. The easiest way to do it is to just use this utility and click Get Started. Now you need to enter the model number of the Chromebook that you want to recover. You also need a USB flash drive plugged into your computer that you can use to help this restore process. Basically, this firmware will download to your computer, and then you use a USB recovery drive and plug it into your Chromebook to restore the firmware. So you may have a screen that says Chrome OS is missing or damaged, and you can type in the recovery code here, or you'll need to look up the recovery code online. Once you type in the entire Chrome recovery model number, you can see that it says it found a match with the exact model name, and it shows you your Chromebook here. You can see the firmware version that's going to be loaded onto your USB drive. When you're ready, just click Continue, and then it says to insert your USB flash drive or an SD card, and then you can just choose the one that you plugged into your computer. Then click Continue. It says it's going to erase everything on your drive, so make sure that you don't need anything that might be important on the drive. Then just click Create Now. It'll start downloading the firmware, and these are usually about 1 GB in size, so it may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, it will quickly verify the download, and then it will start unpacking the file. Once that step is done, you may need to type in your password in order for the USB drive to be able to be written to. Once this is done, it will start writing the firmware to your USB drive. This could take a couple of minutes. After it is done writing to your drive, it needs to verify it one more time before you can unplug the USB drive from your computer. So the next screen you'll see is hopefully success, and your recovery media is ready to be plugged into the Chromebook. So now you have your Chrome Recovery USB drive. If you need to get into the Chrome restore process on your Chromebook, you need to press the Escape, Refresh, and Power buttons all at the same time. This will bring you into the Chrome recovery process for your Chromebook. Then you can easily just plug in your USB drive, and you can see that it will start automatically restoring the firmware from the USB drive on your Chromebook.